The cut-off saw is a powerhouse tool built for demanding cutting applications, delivering the perfect balance of strength, precision, and efficiency. Designed to tackle a wide range of materials, from steel pipes and metal sheets to concrete blocks and masonry, it combines a high-torque motor with a robust cutting disc that maintains consistent speed even under heavy load. Its sturdy base and secure clamping system ensure stability, allowing users to achieve accurate, straight cuts without compromising on safety. Whether used in construction, fabrication, or industrial maintenance, this tool's ability to make quick, clean cuts drastically reduces project time while maintaining professional-grade results. Its ergonomic design, adjustable cutting angles, and protective guard system make it both comfortable and safe to operate, even during long working hours. Built to withstand the rigors of job sites, the cut-off saw's durable housing and heavy-duty components ensure long-lasting performance under continuous use. Many models feature spark deflectors and dust management systems, keeping workspaces cleaner and improving operator visibility. This makes it an indispensable tool for metalworkers, builders, and contractors who require reliability and consistent output. From precision metal fabrication to cutting rebar and structural steel, the cut-off saw not only increases productivity, but also enhances the quality of every cut. It's the ultimate choice for professionals who need a dependable cutting solution that can handle tough materials with speed, accuracy, and unmatched durability.